Swadika, I am Tulip Nang Sompop. Welcome to Buddhism Today, where the world discovers Thai way of Buddhism. Setting up the altar table on which to place the Buddha image along with the oblation is part of Thai tradition since ancient time. And today we will discuss how to set up the altar table properly.
If you go to any Buddhist temple, if you go to any house of a Buddhist or any other Buddhist ceremony, the one very important figure, the one very important things you will see, you will notice is that there is an altar in every houses of the Buddhists. They have the room for the Buddha or the room for the religious practice. If you go to the Buddhist temple, in front of the Buddha's image, in front of the Buddhist places, you will have a set of altar, which is their place, and then to decorate the things of worship you worship. So that is called To Mu Bucha. Basically, To is table, and Mu is that a group, and Bucha means that the worship. So basically, what does it really means that it's a set of worshiping table that you put in front. But generally, you can have any kind of table as a symbol of worshiping. You can have a 2 set, you can have a 3 set, you can have a 4 set, you can have a 5 set, you can have a 7 set, and the biggest one is that you can have a 9 set of tables. It depends on the place, it depends on the ceremony you are using, because those altar or the set of tables, it is used in all kind of ceremonies, be a religious ceremony or be a secular ceremony. For example, a state ceremony for the kings and a state ceremony in any other ceremony in Thailand. You used to decorate with those altar. So each altar has in fact its meaning. For example, it says that when you have 3 or 4 set of tables, basically you are reminding of 4 noble truths. If you are talking about the 5 set of table, it has another meaning of the Rup Vedana Sanya Sankhan, which are the 5 senses, and so on. So every altar has its meaning, and the way you decorate those altars is that in the main table, in the central table, you may enshrine the Buddha, but then you need to have a set of flowers, a set of incense sticks, a set of candles, and so on. Again, all those worshipping objects has its own meaning. For example, when we decorate the altar with a flower, offering flower to the Buddha, it means that we are reminding of impermanence. When we are incense sticks, we are burning the incense sticks, which means that we are reminding of the virtue which is invisible but which can travel wide and far and wide. When we are talking about lighting the candle, which means that it's dispelling the ignorance, dispelling the darkness of your mind, and so on. Therefore, it is a very clever way of teaching Buddha's teachings by part of artistic way that you decorate the altar with those kind of set of tables. But if one can understand, you can understand truly the teachings of the Buddha in every rituals and decorations.